Hi everyone, welcome to our Bartending channel. I'm Alex.
I'm Roman, and today we will teach you how to make a Clover Club. This classic was born in the early 1900s in Philadelphia.
Yes, in the famous club inside the Bellevue Strandford Hotel. A very classic club actually.
In 1908 was released as a new drink in an important American bar guide.
And in 1961 was introduced in the IBA list.
Okay, let's see the ingredients we need for this cocktail.
Well guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it.
And if you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and the question of the day is, what's the most popular cocktail in your city? Let us know in the comment below, and see you next time.